Dwayne, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Selectric 2 here that's got a hub that's cracked, nothing unusual. What's unusual is it's got a second crack, a third crack, a fourth crack, a fifth crack that's to the edge, a sixth crack that's to the edge, a seventh crack that's to the edge, and the thing is, it's still working fine. So even under a load, it's working. Let's put this on express right there, and it's not hopping or anything. It's just happy like that. So I'm gonna have to talk to the customer because I did not notice this until after they left because it wasn't making any noises, and that wasn't the problem. It just came in for a basic clean and service, but that's got cracks like I've never seen and still working. Alright, you can start by a good day.